Hi guys, we're gonna do a quick little video before I get ready for work because I have less than an hour. Yeah, but
I'm watching Inventing Anna, so sorry about the background noise.
yeah, my little sister is here visiting and she's watching Call Her Daddy with Anna, so Anna Delvey. So I'm not gonna be doing that much talking, but we're gonna get started on our brows. Alright, so for my brows, I'm gonna be using this Urban Decay brow blade. And this is shade Top Hay. Alright, so we filled in our eyebrows with the felt tip. I keep pulling out the wrong tip. With the felt tip. Now I'm going to pull out this crayon one and just go over it a little bit. So, alright, so here's a little bit of our brow action on for right now. And now we're going to do some eyeshadow.
Action!
So for our eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Milani Bold Obsessions, and I'm just going to get out this eyeshadow brush. So I am mixing the Bare in the Mind and Can't Pink Straight. So we got our shadow on for the day. We're just going light. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some eyeliner, and this is the Maybelline Master Precise All Day.
Do you consider yourself a con artist?
Alright, so now we're going to do our cover-up, and this is with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation.
Wi-Fi aren't going to think you're smart because you got caught.
Sure, makeup assistant, go put water on my beauty blender. Thank you. She's the bomb. Alright, so we got our clips on.
Okay, so the show is all about Anna Delvey, and in every single episode, the title card that reads is every episode. It says.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and contour, and that is with our Kat Von D shade in light cream. Alright, now we're gonna blend our contour. So I'm gonna get out this brush and blend it in.
She's in her true color.
Alright, so I essentially got our contour on. Now I'm just going to put on a little bit of chapstick.
What's up, Daddy Gang? It is your founding father
concealer.
back again for another episode of Call Her Daddy. Before I start this episode, I need to put today's guest. You probably know them from the headline the media used to define them.
Alright, so this concealer that I'm using is the Tarte Shape Tape. This is shade Light Neutral. And I prefer to use a dry beauty blender when I'm blending it. So we're just going to apply it.
Tabloid. This man was hired by Courtney's mom to be Courtney's acting coach. It turned predatory. Courtney's parents knew and let it continue. And I remember when Courtney Stodden was signed away by their parents and granted permission coverage. Again, Courtney, a child, received death threats, was
Chrissy
stalked by
Teigen is a
paparazzi,
bitch.
sexualized Leanne 10 years ago.
I know, I hate people that can't speak for their own selves. Like,
Make it
have
in
a brain or an
decision.
opinion.
So for our mascara, ladies, or gents, we're going to be using the Go Big or Go Home mascara by Kat Von D.
We fixed our flyaways. We've eaten the mic.
Oh, I forgot to put on the primer before. Whatever, we'll just do the mascara today. Top layer of mascara, then curl them real quick.
My license finally.
Oh, my hair or something.
I go home and I'm just like, what the heck?
Well, that's status right there. That's also LA. Like, how fucking just casual that you're just like neighbors with Kamala. You're like, with LA. Like, when you were a little girl, did you want to be like famous? Like, what did you want to be?
I've always loved music. I always wanted to.
Alright, y'all, so we got on our Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home mascara. Alright, guys, so now we're going to go ahead and put on some blush. And I'm going to be using my Naked Cherry because we want to freaking finish this so I can throw it away.
Introduced.
About time, right?
Because
So I'll just get this brush.
here in LA. And I always kind of expressed, interest also in singing, but in acting.
I'll just get this fan brush and grab some highlight.
But we met through a mutual friend. We started angry.
Alright, everybody, so this is our finished look for today. So now I'm getting ready to go to work, so
Which
yeah.
was
That's
you know, it's
the end of the
I
makeup.
don't know. Like
Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment box below and with any suggestions or what you think looks bad. We love to hear.